that, more breaking news coming in. A political row has now erupted after Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav alleged that crores of rupees in offerings to the Ram Mandir are missing, questioning the temple trust and the government's silence while seeking court intervention. Now, in response to that claim from Akhilesh Yadav, the Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust member Mahant Dinendra Das Maharaj has rejected these allegations from the SP chief. He asserts that all the decisions are documented, the accounts are transparent, and the work for Ram Lalla is progressing smoothly with no irregularities. Let's listen in to what the trust member had to say.
हमारे यहाँ ट्रस्टियों में जो भी निर्णय होता है सबके बातचीत करने से होता है, सब लिखित रहता है। लेन देन का हमेशा हिसाब चलता है, लेकिन इसमें लेन देन में बिल्कुल सही चल रहा है, सबको सद्भावना प्रेम बना है। तो राम जी सब देख रहे हैं, सबका विचार अलग, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं और राम जी देख राम जी स्वयं दंड देंगे। ट्रस्ट में ऐसी गलती करेंगे ही नहीं।
श्री राम जन्मभूमि तीर्थ क्षेत्र अपने भिन्न भिन्न कार्यों का ऑडिट समय समय पर करता रहता है। हुंडी काउंटिंग कमरे का ऑडिट भी होता है। हुंडी काउंटिंग कमरे का ऑडिट राम जन्मभूमि तीर्थ क्षेत्र के न्यासीगण, कार्यकर्ता और स्टेट बैंक के कर्मचारी मिलकर करते हैं। ये कार्य कई दिनों तक चलता है। यही कार्य आजकल हो रहा है। कोई भी उल्लेखनीय बात किसी के भी ध्यान में अभी तक नहीं आई है।
Now, the BJP has strongly hit back at the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav over his remarks on the Ram Mandir offerings. They are saying that it is inappropriate for him to comment given his party's past stand on the temple issue. The BJP has accused the Samajwadi Party chief of spreading misinformation and also creating doubt among the devotees, while also suggesting that he should first visit the Ram Mandir before making such statements and present evidence if any such claims are made.
अखिलेश यादव जी पहले कभी राम मंदिर जाएं तो सही, फिर वे प्रश्न उठाएं। क्या कि कुछ कुछ दिनों में जो मनगढ़ंत कहानियां गढ़ते रहते हैं और राम के जितने भक्त हैं उनके मन में संशय पैदा करने की कोशिश करते हैं। और कुछ सबूत हो तो पेश करिए, अन्यथा अनर्गल आरोप मत लगाइए।
अखिलेश जी के मुंह से राम मंदिर की बात अच्छी नहीं लगती। वो लोग जो राम मंदिर को ही अगेंस्ट चल रहे थे और अगेंस्ट बात कर रहे थे और कहते थे कि राम मंदिर कभी नहीं बन सकता, वो लोग इस तरह की बातें करते, वो मुझे लगता है सिर्फ जनता को भी पता है कि झूठ बोल रहे हैं, हर तरीके की गलत बातें, अफवाहें फैला रहे हैं। यूपी में इलेक्शन अगले साल है, उनको झूठ के सहारे ही, क्योंकि उन्हें मालूम है वो कभी सरकार नहीं बना सकते, यूपी में आ नहीं सकते वापस, तो थोड़ा बहुत वो सोचते हैं झूठ का सहारा ले लें, लेकिन ये चलेगा नहीं उनका।
Let's go across to Adib, who's joining us on the phone line to put this into perspective. Adib, the fact is now the trust members are making quite clear that there is no truth to these allegations. So then what really is the rationale behind the claims that were made by Samajwadi Party? After all, now the BJP is also asking him to furnish proof.
Well, certainly, Rohit C. Akhilesh Yadav has made these claims in a social media post where he took to his social media account claiming that these allegations, there are irregularities in the funds of the Ram Temple Trust, and there is no proper data of the funds. However, the Ram Mandir Temple Trust, they have categorically denied all the allegations leveled by Akhilesh Yadav, and he himself hasn't given any kind of proof. In fact, the BJP has also mocked Akhilesh Yadav. They're saying that it is just because of the election season that Akhilesh Yadav is talking about the Ram Temple, and he should first visit the Ram Temple, and more importantly, he should provide some proof regarding his tweet, what he has posted on his social media account.
Right, absolutely. So the BJP also questioning Akhilesh Yadav over the claims, especially because at the moment, at least, he has not been able to furnish any proof. The trust members also strongly denying the claims that were made by the Samajwadi Party president. Thank you, Adib, for joining us on the broadcast and giving us those details. But with that, viewers, a short break. More news and updates on the other side.